Well, the situation here in the shark cage has changed very, very quickly. I got a call from my surgeon yesterday. They want to move my surgery up from the 31st of March to the 3rd of February. Now, it is the 9th of January, so that means I am way behind schedule all of a sudden. I thought I had a couple of months to get my inventory sold, to get things ready to pack up and go into storage, and now I have no time at all. So we're going to be scrambling like crazy. Let me show you real quick what we're dealing with and what my plan is going to be here. Now, some things will be retained, such as the copper, because I want to do some future melting and casting. We have the mylars for silver recovery, so that will be kept. I have material that I've been keeping for silver recovery, gold recovery. So we've got some stuff here for gold recovery. There's some ICs for gold recovery. There's different unusual RAM that's silver. That's the CPUs, that's blank RAM. So those slot CPUs, so those need to get packed up and sold. And then we have some more gold bearing material up here. So a lot of that material will come with me. Those are small CPU kind of things, green, brown fiber, those sort of things. So I have to decide what I want to do there because I just sold off a bunch of it. I don't have a whole lot right now. We've got some brass that I'll probably keep for melting, some more copper. The RAM will get sold. It's usually I wait till that's close to being full, but yeah, we're gonna have to get moving on that. And boards and aluminum, that stuff needs to get packed up and sold. Over here we have some laptop motherboards and backplane boards. So here's the backplanes, there's the laptop, Telcom low, some Telcom high. I don't think I have much in the way of Telcom high. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. So that needs to get put together. There's some good server motherboards that need to get off the board sort. Let's head on around. This is for melt projects. Here's some cell phone boards. So there's some stuff here that I was hoping to have a bit more in weight before I shipped it off to board sort, but we're just going to have to go with what we have. These are all power supply boards. One of my new buyers, a company called Diddy and Orf, they have a pretty good price for power supply boards. So I'm separating those out. I'm going to try to get those out the door. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of i-series CPUs there and there and there. So that could make up a pretty good load right there. There's a bunch of peripherals. That's peripheral high there and peripheral low here. We'll get those ready. A few large sockets, not nearly as much as I would like. Some P4 small sockets. None of those are really, I would have normally waited until I had a bit more of those before I sold them, but we're in extremis. We're gonna have to get moving fast here. So that barrel of aluminum I'm gonna take with me for melting projects. So over here we have power supplies that I was going to spend the time to take them out of the shells and sell them to Diddy and Orf as power supply boards. Now I don't know if I'm going to have that time to do that. We have hard drives with no boards. We have a bin of miscellaneous electronics that I need to go through, and some keyboards, laptops, peripheral boards, more peripheral boards, more power supply boards, a bunch of low-grade stuff over here. Those two bins are low-grade material that I need to sort through, but I'm pretty sure it's just low-grade stuff. So I need to get busy and get some inventory put together. I've got one Gaylord right there that is really sloppy, but it should be fine for the low grade, the power boards to load up, and then some other stuff for Diddy North. And then I'll prepare another Gaylord box for shipping off to Board Sort. This kind of Gaylord actually can work for Board Sort, because even though it doesn't have flaps on the bottom, usually with Board Sort I am putting stuff in separate boxes anyway. So if there's any loose material, it might be the laptops, and that should be fine. So I just need to prep, go get a good pallet for that and get that ready to go. I got to hustle here, folks. I got a lot of work that needs to get done and not a lot of time to get it done. And I'm going to need to hire a crew to come in and help me get this all packed up. I did have some good news too. These two boxes, each one of them contains an older tower, and I had some buyers come in for those. So those won't get scrapped. Those are getting sold to some folks that wanted some vintage towers. So that's really cool. I was really happy to have that come through, because I hate when I have to scrap the old vintage stuff. I'd prefer to sell it. All right, well, I got work to do. We'll keep you posted, and we'll see you on the next one.